When Julie began dating Felix in our junior year of college, it made perfect sense. Here was a guy who was just as intelligent and generous as Julie, who was head over heels in love with her, and who always made Julie happy. You support each other so selflessly through the good and the bad, and through it all, you light up each other's lives and everyone else's lives with love.
Julie, you are my partner and my guide. You are my fountain overflowing with giggles on a tired evening.
Felix, you are kind and generous. You accept my flaws while encouraging me to become a better version of myself.
You have held me and sustained me through the trying moments, celebrated and encouraged me through the joyful ones.
You embrace the full extent of my silliness, and sharing laughter with you is one of the best feelings in the world.
We had heard before Julie went to Freiburg that she'd met this nice young man. And then we learned that she spends every evening on Skype with this fella back in Cambridge ago. And then we hear she's going to go meet him for a date in Paris. If two people are going to get together and they're meant to be with each other, and they're going to meet in Paris, then wait a minute, they could fall in love. I mean, we're talking about Paris here.
I promise you to dance for the next 10 years, wherever the dance may take us.
As we continue to build our lives together, I promise I will always try to see you for who you are.
I promise to be there to pick you up when you stumble.
I will support you in pursuing your interests, your goals, and your happiness.
And when the rhythm shifts and our lives tangle, I promise to learn the new steps with you.
I will take care of you during the hard times and the good times.
When the footlights dim and the velvet descends upon the stage, I will be there, holding your hand.
I promise to love you, to grow with you, and to keep choosing you every day.
I have so much confidence that they are going to only find happiness and success, and that there is absolutely no obstacle that they can't overcome if they're leaning on each other and have each other. Julie, I'm beyond excited to welcome you officially to the Wu family.
Felix has always been very kind, loving, and a thoughtful person. We are so happy he has found his match. Thank you, Karen and Fred, for raising such a beautiful daughter and a wonderful one.
So please, everyone, join me in making a toast to Julie and Felix and to their, as one could say, fellowship of their rings.
You may celebrate with a kiss.